Rice cookers ensure your rice is the perfect texture and always ready to serve. Rice cookers can be used to cook all types of rice, such as white, brown, parboiled, basmati, and jasmine. They can even cook quinoa. The measuring cup that comes with your cooker is based on the Chinese cup measurement, which is about 3/4 of a US cup. Measure the desired amount of rice into a fine mesh strainer. For most types of rice, the second step is to thoroughly rinse the grains until the water runs clear. Transfer the rice from the strainer into the inner pot of the rice cooker. Next, add water to the pot based on your recipe. You can also add butter, salt, oil, or even spices to enhance the flavor of your rice. Plug in your rice cooker and press the switch to turn it on. With most rice cookers, the light on the front of the unit will go out when the cooking is finished. After 15 minutes, your rice is ready to be served and you can unplug your cooker. Select models of rice cookers will automatically switch to a keep warm mode. This feature keeps ready-made rice at an ideal serving temperature for hours. Convenient and easy to use, rice cookers provide an ideal texture and serving temperature for your customers.